Hello guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I am the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I'm extremely happy because now I can share with you my favorite features with a new update for Adobe Fresco. I have already started on my project and I will finish this project with you while I will be showing to you my favorite features. Now I need to choose my next brush. To do so, I will long press on my pixel brushes, and here I will tap on charcoal brushes. Fresco will display a library with all default charcoal brushes. I will tap on Wine Charcoal 1 brush. I will choose a color for my brush, and using this brush I will add a few splashes of darker color to my art to add a little bit more of value to my candy, just like that. After that I will switch to lighter shade of same color, maybe a little bit brighter, and I will add a few splashes of highlights to my candy, just like this. Now definitely we need to blend all colors together, and we talked about how we can blend all our colors in Adobe Fresco in my previous tutorials or live streams, but now everything is much easier. Why? Look at this beautiful finger icon. This finger icon represents Smudge Tool. Long press on this beautiful Smudge Tool and voila! Fresco will display all libraries with different types of Smudge Tool. I will tap on charcoal because I used charcoal brush, and I will tap on Wine Charcoal 1 brush, Smudge Tool. Here I can adjust size of my brush. Guys, we will talk about everything later on in my next tutorial. Now I just would like to share with you my favorite features with a new update. So using this beautiful smudge tool, maybe I will increase size. I will blend my colors together. Guys, I can switch between a bigger and smaller size of my brush, smudge tool, I'm sorry. So using this beautiful tool, look at this. I can blend all colors together in no time. Friendly reminder, guys, you are using your Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil has a pressure sensitivity, and pressure sensitivity is our friend, just like that. Look at this. In no time, I blended all colors together. Look at this. I will bring size of my brush down and I will blend colors around here. Now, when I'm happy with everything, I'm happy with my style, with my design, I'm happy with my blending and everything, and I will tell to myself, okay, Victoria, you're almost done. Time to add some text to our painting. Can we add any text in Adobe Fresco? Yes, we can. To do so, I will highlight my background layer just like this. And after that, I will tap on text tool. Look at this. Yes, guys, now we have our beautiful text tool inside Adobe Fresco, just like this. So I have activated my text tool and I will type Victoria, just like this. Now I will display my properties panel. I will highlight my text. I can adjust anything I like. I can adjust font for my text. It's up to me. Maybe something like this, all right? Also, I can change size for my text. Look at this, guys. This is absolutely amazing. I love it. And after I'm happy with everything, also, guys, I can change space between my letters just like that, and I can undo, I can redo, and guys, this is our text in Adobe Fresco. Definitely, guys, I can rotate it. I can do whatever I like. Also, guys, if you notice now we have this beautiful, I'm naming this feature like communications button. I can tap on it, and Fresco will save my document as a cloud document. Why, I will tell you just in a second. And now I can share my document with anyone I want to, and I will have feedback right after the person I send my document will review it. Why Fresco saved my document as a cloud document before I shared my project with someone? Because if I will, if now from my home screen, if I will tap on three ellipses under my document thumbnail, I have view version history feature. I will tap on it and look at this. Here you can see history, all changes I made and time when I made all these changes, and I can tap on any of them and open different versions at any time. So guys, this is absolutely amazing. I love the new update. Update your app, update your Adobe Fresco app right now. And now you can be more creative with Adobe Fresco. I love Adobe Fresco. I'm using Adobe Fresco every day. Absolutely amazing app. Guys, if you never worked with Adobe Fresco before, start doing it right now. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. I will be more than happy answer any of your questions. If you have any tutorial in mind you want me to record or stream live about, just let me know and I will do it for you. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for all your support. Super appreciated. And I will see you very soon. Love you guys. Enjoy your new update for Adobe Fresco. See you later, guys. Bye.